How to unpack and install MagniLink AIR Duo Plus. Start by removing the top packaging in the box. You will find your user manuals and the installation guide underneath the packaging. Continue removing the packaging material. Grasp the device and carefully lift it out of the box. We recommend that you place the unit on the inner packaging to keep it safe during installation. Gently place the unit on the packing material. Then remove the rest of the packaging from the unit. A USB flash drive is included. We recommend testing the system before mounting it in the ceiling. Connect the power cord to a power outlet. The Wi-Fi password is found on the router. There are two ways of getting internet on your MagniLink AIR device. One is with a cable. Connect an Ethernet cable to the internet port on the router. Connect the other end to a network outlet. The other way is to use Wi-Fi repeating. Connect your computer through a network cable to one of the ports on the router. It's recommended to do this before the MagniLink AIR system is mounted in the ceiling. See the user's manual and the section about wireless repeating to activate wireless repeating on your unit. Your computer needs to be connected to the MagniLink AIR system through a network cable while doing this. Enter the address 192.168.101.1 in your web browser. Use the password that is mentioned in your wireless repeating user's manual. Then click on Login. Now choose WebFig from the top menu. Select Wireless in the top left corner. Select Security Profiles. Select Extender. Enter the password to the wireless network that you'd like to use. It should be entered both to the WPA and WPA2 pre-shared key. Now click on Apply. And then, OK. Now click on Wi-Fi interfaces in the top menu to the left. If you want to extend the wireless network, using the 2.4 GHz bandwidth, click on E on the WLAN 1 extender, which is already done here. If you want to extend the 5 GHz network, click on E, next to the WLAN 2 extender. If you have extended the 2.4 GHz WLAN, then click on WLAN 1. Copy the SSID. Select the SSID, right-click and choose Copy. Now click on Scan in the top menu. Click Start. A scan for available networks is now performed. Select the network you'd like to extend from the list. Click Connect. Now go back to the network you selected here, the WLAN 1. Scroll down until you find SSID. Now right-click in the box and choose Paste, to paste the SSID you copied before. Now go to Mode and select AP Bridge in the drop-down list. Click on Apply in the top menu, and then on OK. You are now set to go and you will have wireless internet connection on your MagniLink AIR device. Thanks for watching. See separate video for installing the MagniLink software.